Good morning, students. Bache, as you know that we have done 5 parts of this, and now I am on your 6th part. On which bache? On 6th question I am, and that question is, you can see from over here, that is, you have to express. See the question first. The question is saying, express each of the following complex number in exercise 1 to 10 in the form of a plus iota b. Now bache, this question is saying, 6th question is saying that 1 upon 5 plus iota 2 upon 5 then minus 4 plus iota 5 by 2. You have to express this one in the form of a plus iota b. You have to do this thing. Clear bache? Now what I will do, I simply will do that the same I will write over here, 1 upon 5 plus 2 by 5 iota, and bache it will be your, as it is inside bracket and outside the bracket minus sign is there, signs will change. And how the signs will change bacha? We will get minus 4 and we will get minus 5 by 2 iota. Now simply bache, we will do the calculation of these two terms and then after that these two terms. Clear? First of all, these terms which are not having iota, we will do addition and subtraction of these, and then we will do it to the iota terms. 1 by 5 minus 4 plus 2 by 5 iota minus 5 by 2 iota. This part we will solve separately by taking LCM, and this part again we will do separately. Over here 5 is LCM, then it is bache 1 minus 20, and over here your 10 is LCM bache, and it is 4 iota minus 25 iota. Clear bache? Now when we will do the solution of this, we will get 19 by 5 negative, and when final answer of this we will do, we will get minus of 21 upon 10 iota. Clear bache? Minus of 21 upon 10 iota. So this is your final answer, and we have represented this into a plus iota b form. Now I will move to your next question, and that is your question number 7. See over here bacha, this is your question number 7, and in this question the question is 1 upon 3 plus 7 by 3 iota plus bracket of 4 plus 1 by 3 iota bracket close, then minus, then again a bracket bache, that is minus 4 by 3 plus iota. Clear? Now it is, when you will simplify it, you will get 1 upon 3 plus 7 upon 3 iota, then 4, then plus 1 by 3 iota. Here bache, outside bracket negative sign is there, so what I will be doing, I will multiply it to the inside, and this is negative, say though both will become positive over here, 4 by 3, and I will get negative iota, and I have written 1 in denominator to make my calculations easy. Now in next step bache, what I have done, I have separated all the constant terms and written on one side. Clear? Like 1 by 3, 4 plus 4 by 3, and all the iota terms I have written on one side. Clear? This I have solved separately, this I have solved separately. So I have got LCM 3, and I have got 1 plus 12 plus 4, and finally I have reached that 17 upon 3. While solving this, what is being done, I have taken 3 as LCM, and I have got 7 iota plus iota minus 3 iota, and when this is solved, so beta 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 3 5, so I have got 5 by 3 iota. Clear bache? So this whole question can be represented in this form. Is it clear bache? Now the next question is 1 minus iota whole to the power 4. In this, what I have done, first of all I have made into multiplicative powers, that is 1 minus iota power 2 to the power 2. As you all know that when we are having power in this form, I will get 2 to the 4 and I will again get this 4. So I have written it as a step. Now when I will open this square, I will get 1 square plus iota square minus 2 iota. And bache, again this bracket I have put and this whole square I have given again to it. So clear bache? Now I will just try to simplify it. 1 square means 1, iota square is iota square, and again your 2 iota negative and then whole square. Now bache, your iota square is minus 1, so I have written here minus 1. So in next step we will get the value 1 minus 2 iota. What I will get bache? 1 minus 1 minus 2 iota, both side bracket and whole square. So what I will get? This will cancel out and what will left? Minus 2 iota whole square, and that is 2 to the 4 iota square is equal to 4 bracket of minus 1. That will give minus 4. I have written beta this 0 iota just to represent it in the form of a plus b iota, because I cannot leave it simply like minus 4. I have to write in iota form also. As iota is not here, so I have put 0 iota. Clear my students? Now the next question is question number 9. That is 1 upon 3 plus 3 iota whole cube. In this what I have done, one side I have done square and I have taken separately. First I will do this solution and then the rest of the things I will multiply by this. Clear bache? So how I will open this 1 by 3 plus 3 iota square? That will be 1 by 9 plus 3 iota whole square plus 2 into 1 by 3 bracket of 3 iota. Then bache, it will give it 1 by 3 plus 3 iota. We will leave it like this. Now bache, again this 1 by 9 over here. Here bache, 3 square is 9 and iota square will be minus 1. So I have written here directly minus 1. Then here bache, 3 will cancel out by 3. What is left? 2 iota. So this 2 iota is written, and along with this 2 iota, this is been multiplied. Clear bache? Now when that term will be multiplied, before that I will try to solve it. I have got 1 upon 9 minus 9, and after LCM I have got 1 minus 81 upon 9 plus 2 iota. This is 1 by 3 plus 3 iota is equal to minus 80 upon 9 plus 2 iota, and this beta both side bracket 1 by 3 plus 3 iota. Now bache, minus 80 upon 9 3s are 27, and then this we have done. Clear? And then this I have done, then it will cut. I'll get 3 and I'll get 20 upon 3 iota. Here is, but then bache, when this 2 iota will multiply by this 1 by 3, I'll get 2 by 3 iota plus 6 iota square. And finally the values which we will have, they will be minus 80 upon 27 minus 6 minus 78 by 3 iota. How this minus 78 by 3 iota beta? This will come when I will solve these two. These two I will solve by taking LCM. Then I'll get minus 78 by 3 iota. Finally again minus 80 minus 162 upon 27. How? By taking LCM of these two. All of you know how to take LCM. Then minus 26 iota, and finally bache, minus of 242 upon 27 minus 26 iota. Clear my dear students? Clear these three questions, question number 7, 8, 9, and I have told you also question number 6. This one, sixth question also I have told you. I don't think so that you might be having any problem in these questions. And now I am moving to the question number 10. It is a slightly big question, so I want you to do a more focus on this question. Now see bache, the whole the question, I think it is visible to you. And now I will start explaining it. 2 minus 1 by 3 iota cube. minus I have taken common, so minus 1 cube. When I will take minus 1 common, this minus 2 will become positive 2, this minus 1 by 3 iota will become positive. So now बच्चे I am having minus 1 cube into 2 plus iota by 3 whole cube. Minus 1 cube will give minus 1 separately outside bracket, we will write it all over the whole question. At last step we will multiply it. Clear? We will not change this minus 1 throughout the whole question. At last step only we will change it. Now बच्चे this 2 plus iota 2 plus 1 by 3 iota cube I will write in two form, first in the square form, then in the single form. While doing this, what I will be do, first of all I will solve it, I will get an answer, then I will multiply that answer with this. So finally I will get the answer of 2 plus 1 by 3 iota cube. Now बच्चे minus 3 whole bracket, this 2 what I will do when I will open the square, 2 square plus 1 by 3 iota whole square plus 2ab. You know na बच्चा formula, I think you all are knowing this formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Using this identity only beta I have opened and I have got this. When I have opened up this, I will again multiply, show the multiplication of this by this. I will multiply finally at this step, till then I will write it in the same form. Now first I will want to simplify this one. This is 2 square and 2 square is बच्चे 4 plus 1 by 3 iota square, that is 1 by 9 iota square. See over here, 2 to the 4 upon 3 into iota, and it is बच्चे 2 plus iota 3, 2 plus 1 by 3 iota. Now बच्चे this iota square is having power answer minus 1, so I will write here minus 1, and then I will get 4 plus 1 by 3 into minus 1 plus 4 by 3 iota, then both side brackets 2 plus 1 by 3 iota. Now बच्चे this is minus 1 and it is 4 minus plus minus minus, that is 1 by 9 plus 4 by 3 iota, and it is over here 2 plus 1 by 3 iota. Clear बच्चे? Now this is having LCM part. I will do LCM. I will take 9 as LCM, then 9 4 जो 36 I will get. This is the procedure of getting LCMs. Then it is minus 1 plus 4 by 3 iota, and it is बच्चे 2 plus 1 by 3 iota. Clear? So when I will solve it down, I will get answer 35 by 9 plus 4 by 3 iota. Then it is over here 2 plus 1 by 3 iota. Clear my students? Then बच्चे in next step these two equations I will multiply. How? This one I will multiply by this 2, then I will get 70 by 9, then I will multiply this by this one, and I will get 35 1 ja 35 and 9 3 ja 27 iota, and then बच्चे I will multiply this by this, that is 4 2 ja 8 by 3 iota, and I will multiply this by this, that is 4 1 ja 4 and 3 3 ja 9, and iota into iota as iota square. Clear बच्चे? Again I am telling this step. First I will multiply this into this, that is 70 by 9, then this into this, that is 35 1 ja 35 and 9 3 ja 27, and then iota. Then बच्चे this one I will multiply by this, that is 4 2 ja 8 upon 3 iota, and then बच्चे 4 1 ja 4 3 3 ja 9 and iota into iota whole square. In this step, as you know, iota square is minus 1. What we know beta? Iota square is minus 1. So I have got 70 upon 9 plus bracket 35 iota plus 72 iota upon 27. How? By solving these two. LCM of 27 and 3 is 27. This is 35 iota. It is 3, so I need to multiply it by 9 to get 27. So I will multiply this also with 9, and 9 8 just 72 iota. Then here I have put beta, it is minus 1, so it will become minus 4 by 9 in the next step. So let's move now to the next step, that is 35 plus iota plus 72 by 27 will give this. Clear? 70 by 9 is same, and this will give 107 by 27 iota, and this will give बच्चे minus 4 upon 9. Now in the next step I have to solve these two. Clear? These two are same terms, so I will simplify this. How I will simplify? I will write it down 70 upon 9 minus 4 by 9, and then बच्चे separately 107 upon 27 iota. Clear? Now in the next step, when this will be solved, LCM will be 9 and 70 minus 4 will give 66, because already 9 is there in both. Then I can subtract it directly, and then बच्चे 107 upon 27 iota. This will cut, I will get 22 by 3, and as this minus symbol is there, so I have multiplied it also directly. So final answer which I will get, that is minus 22 upon 3 minus 107 upon 27 iota. So this is the question बच्चे which I have explained you. You can see it once again, and now I am just going to explain all the parts once again to you, so that you don't have any problem. This बच्चे, see it again how I have done. First of all, this no need to do anything to this. There is minus sign. What I have done, within this bracket whatever the digits are there, I have changed the sign, and I have got minus 4 and minus 5 by 2 iota. Clear बच्चे? Now this 1 by 5 minus 4 and then 2 by 5 iota, then minus 5 2 by iota. Simply we will get this answer in the form of a plus iota b. This was the first question which I have done in today's class. Now I am moving to your question number 11. On which question I am moving, beta? Question number 11. Just see it over here. This is a question being given to find the multiplicative inverse of the complex number given in exercise question number 11 to 13, and that question 11 is 4 minus 3 iota. Let z is equal to 4 minus 3 iota, and बच्चे as I have told you, multiplicative inverse symbol is z to the power minus 1, and z to the power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon z. Now what is z value beta? 1 upon 4 minus 3 iota. Now how I can remove this iota from denominator? By rationalizing. How I can remove it? I can remove it just by rationalizing. By rationalizing the denominator. That is how we will rationalize. That is multiplying numerator and denominator by 4 plus 3 iota. Clear बच्चे? Getting my point? And then what I will get, this is 1. So whenever I will multiply this value by this value, I will get 4 plus 3 iota. And now I have to do the multiplication of this. It is already in this form. As you all know from your previous classes that a square minus b square will be your a plus b and a minus b. That's why bacha I am writing it out that your this form will be represented in this as your a is equal to 4 and your b is equal to 3 iota in this question. So as it is given over here in a plus b and a minus b form, what is a square beta? Your 4 square, and what will be your b square? That will be your 3 iota whole square. Now let's move further. 4 plus 3 iota upon 4 square is 16 minus 3 iota square. What will be 3 iota square? that will be 3 3 is 9 iota square, and then finally बच्चे 4 plus 3 iota upon 16 minus 9 into minus 1. Why this minus 1? Why this minus 1 बच्चे? Iota square is equal to minus 1. Clear? So now 4 plus 3 iota upon 16 plus 9, that is equal to 4 plus 3 iota upon 25. Now I will separate it down in two different things. So below 4 I will write 25, and below 3 iota also I will write 25. So this is my form. Finally answer which I have got, that is multiplicative inverse of, I should write it down also, I am writing over here, that is multiplicative inverse of 1 minus 1 upon 4 minus 3 iota. Clear बच्चे? Again I am repeating, 1 upon 4 minus 3 iota is 4 by 25 plus 3 iota by 25. Clear my dear students? So this is all about your today's discussion, and once again I want to give you a review what all we have done today. We have done beta in this exercise, we have done from question number 1 to 11. Clear बच्चे? And as per this question number 1 to 11, I have told you how to express in the form of a plus iota b. Means this I have already told to you how to express in the form of a plus iota b. Then बच्चे I have told you how to find multiplicative inverse, how to find multiplicative inverse, and then I have told you about how to find out conjugate, and I have told you about how to find modulus. I have told you about algebra of complex numbers, algebra of complex numbers, and also I have told you about square root of negative numbers, square root of negative numbers. Also told you about basic relationship between z bar, z inverse and z modulus. Clear बच्चे? So whatever we have done in your class till today, that is all most important for your class test. How much we will cover in this chapter 5, that much will come in your class test बच्चे, and only that much will come how much I will be able to complete. Now बच्चे, in tomorrow's class what we will discuss in tomorrow's class? Tomorrow I will discuss left out questions of exercise, left out questions of exercise 5.1 and some extra questions So this is all about today's class, and once again I am going to show you what all we have done today, or once again I am showing what all the things I have done with you till today. This was the first page which I have discussed with you beta, which is having some powers. Like this question can also come in your paper, that what is the power of this, what is the answer of this, or what is the answer of this, or it can come which of the following is not true. Suppose I will write these all four and some changes I will do, and I will ask from you which of the following is not correct. Clear bache? Getting my thing? And then bache, this was your second page which I have done. From there I can give you an equation and I can ask you which is real part, which is imaginary part, and I will give you a question of equality and you have to solve it down. And then bache, the next one is your algebra of complex numbers. So you have to read it with very deep meaning. So because I can put your questions in your MCQ from this page also. And then bache, the next one is this is your next, that is difference of two complex numbers, that is minus 4 iota, and this is your multiplication of two complex numbers, then closure property. You have to read each and every point very deep, because your MCQ paper I have made with a deep meaning. It is having your deep meaning questions also, it is having your calculations questions also. So don't focus on your calculative part, you have to focus on your both the parts to attempt that paper nicely. Then is bache, that this was your next page which I have told to you: associative law, multiplicative inverse, distributive law, division of complex numbers. So this again you have to read out very much carefully, because very deeply I have given you the questions in exam bache. Now this one is your next one. This was your one example I have given. I can give you a question like this: it is Z2, then find this. And I can give you options from in your question like this. Then in such form of questions you have to solve it in your rough notebook, and then you have to put a tick on the correct options. Then is bache like this, I can give you what is the square root of -5. So means you have to prepare a very harsh practice you have to do for your clearing your test in a better way. This is again a form of question, this is again a topic of your modulus and conjugates of complex numbers. This also you have to read very deeply bache, because if you will not do so, you will find some question which you will not be able to do. Again and again saying, each and everything I have told to you in this chapter 5 is very much important for your exam point of view. Now this was your next page which I have told to you. I have provided you the PDF also bache. So you must know what is this meaning. Suppose I am giving you this, I am writing, this I am writing, this I am writing, and this I am writing, and I am asking from you that which of the following is not correct. I will do a simple difference, किसी में भी मैं इसमें से कोई गलत कर दूंगी, है ना बच्चे? तो फिर आपको उसमें से पहचानना होगा कि कौन सा गलत है कौन सा सही है, और वो आप कब कर पाओगे? जब आपको ये रियली में पता होंगे तभी तो कर पाओगे ना बेटा. Then only you will be able to do. If you are knowing the correct thing, then only you can find out the incorrect things. Then this is your fifth example which I have discussed with you, that is find the multiplicative inverse. And then बच्चे I have told you in this that it is having two methods to find out. One is using this formula and other one is using this 1 upon z and then rationalizing it. And after this बच्चे, this was all your example 6. This already I have told you. I have told you about how to express something in this form using this division sign. This power you have to write it down over here, 35 divided by 2, you will get 17 and you will get bacha 1 in denominator. So which you have got in denominator, that is written in iota form separately, and which you have got as power 2, that you have to use power outside, and by which you are dividing, that you have to use power inside. So bache, when you will cross check it, you will get 2 into 17, that is 34, and bache 34 plus this iota with power 1, it will give you again back 35. Why I have simplified like this? Because I know the value of iota square. मुझे iota square की वैल्यू पता है. अगर मैं इसको पुट कर दूंगी तो मेरा क्वेश्चन इजीली सॉल्व हो जाएगा. क्लियर बच्चे? एंड आफ्टर दिस, दैट इज योर जस्ट एक्सरसाइज. एंड इन एक्सरसाइज आई हैव टोल्ड you that we have done in question number 11. Your question number 1 to 10 is to express in the form of a plus iota b. And then from your question number 11 is your how to that is bache how to find multiplicative inverse. So this is all your lecture for today, and thank you and have a nice day bacha. Prepare well for your exam. Best of luck.